gang war in here is escalating. Penguin started destroying bridges to pin down Joker's crew.
Good heavens. I hope you haven't let this get in the way of finding the cure. I'm sure I don't need to remind you of its importance.
I'm on my way to the museum now. It's Penguin's base in Arkham City.
Trapped, right?
Yup. Look on the bright side.
There's a bright side? Sure there is. Whoever blew up this freeway has isolated us from the other freaks who wanted us dead or worse.
Oh, yeah.
Stay cool. We just need to sit things out. Wait and see what happens.
What if the thing that happens is we freeze to death?
Then we can do what they did on that plane crash in the mountains. If one of us dies, the rest of us can eat them. Are you insane? Maybe I am, but give it time. When we've not eaten for a few days, and you maggots are shivering, we'll all be feeling a little crazy, you know? I know I'll be looking at you like you're a side of pork chops. And you know what? What? I love pork chops.